Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked armor set coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. So earlier I was looking in the CDN and I found a few new items. They look like, this is the first one. It looks like a mask with a moon on it, some like gold wings on the side. This kind of looks like a beard. It looks like it's going to be pretty cool. There's some eye holes here. So that is the wand. It kind of looks like it's going to be carnival themed, and I can back it up with the next two. So this one kind of looks like a superhero with the cape on the back, but I still think that it looks more like a carnival. It could be a superhero, but to me it looks like it's carnival themed. So we have some like white gloves, another moon, and yeah, that is the outfit. Okay, so here's the boots. It has like a golden M. It looks like a red thing right here. And yeah, not really anything to say about this. It's just a normal boot. And then finally we have the wand, which is very interesting. It looks like a grappling hook. And yeah, this could be superhero, could be like a carnival themed outfit. I have no idea what this is going to be in. Maybe it'll be in the in a future arena season, but probably not. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.